There are certainly genes involved in the differentiation of adipocytes and in their function. And as weight gain becomes a greater and greater health problem, obviously the genes which are involved in weight gain and all of the related disorders, such as the high blood pressure, the increase in diabetes risk, the risk of atherosclerosis, etc., which accompany weight gain, are certainly important. Of course, DNA does not only encode protein encoding genes. We know that while only 3% of the genome codes for the amino acid order of proteins, about half of the genome is transcribed, forming a transcriptome with many RNAs which are never converted into protein. These include microRNAs, which are important in the regulation of the mRNAs for genes, given that they can bind to mRNAs and then either cause their degradation or block their translation into protein. There are a number of genes which regulate the formation of white adipose cells and their function, and there are a number of microRNAs which regulate these genes. Some repress these genes and others enhance their function. There are a number of genes which regulate the formation and activity of brown adipose tissue. And there are a number of microRNAs which regulate these genes, some repressing their function and some enhancing their function. When we refer to issues involving weight gain, there are a host of other processes which are relevant, such as insulin sensitivity, glucose metabolism, and while there are a number of genes which control these various processes, there are also a number of microRNAs which then regulate these genes. And as we try to study the problems involved with weight gain, we must not only consider the genes which are involved, but then also the microRNAs which regulate these genes.